Hello and welcome my friend, and how are you doing? And then my friend, I am planning to give information that what is good screwdriver brand. And this is really critical, because when we are doing car repairs or electric repairs, we have to all time notice what is this our screwdriver's quality. And here I have two of those screwdrivers, and there is only problem that I don't know that what is these screwdrivers brand, that who has made those. And that's always, my friend, when you are choosing screwdrivers, use high quality brands. And now I will show that what is good quality brand. There is brand what name is Fluke, and there is now I have in here 3 example screwdrivers, and this is like why I can recommend these screwdrivers. Firstly, there is thing that this Fluke, this is really high quality maker what makes screwdrivers what we can use also in these electric installations. There is thing that when we look this screwdriver, there is that insulated 2000 volt, and this is like 2 times more this voltage than in any electric car vehicle's battery. And that means that this is excellent choice, and this Fluke is brand and company what come from England and USA. That's, my friend, this is the product what I can recommend to you. And then when we look that tool, we can right away also notice that in some high quality brands like this Swedish IKEA furnitures and home things what come from Sweden, there is always in IKEA's products that in what country these IKEA's items are made. And now when we compare this Fluke, we can see that there is country Germany, and Germany they do always good quality things. If we can see made in Germany, this is good quality country, and that's I can recommend, my friend, this Fluke tools. And of course these Fluke tools, they have 2 years warranty, that they works well. But the best thing is that this is good quality and this is insulated, that I can also do electric works, and this insulation means also that this grip is excellent. This is very soft. It takes excellent contact. When I press that, look, it goes like deeper. It is like apple or something else, and I can take really huge force in this part. And there is really this label that it is slot screwdriver, and there 1000 insulated, and then this electric mark, and there is brand, and this is size, that one, and then there is also a little bit wider, 80 millimeter, and then this is even bigger. Okay, that kind of information, my friend, that what this screwdriver brand I recommend. And note also that some of these we can get in flathead in that way, and then also this Phillips head. Okay, and I hope that you have learned something new, and thumbs up, my friend, and see you in next movie.